Welcome friends to my channel AB Infotech. Today I will describe or share with you how can we use different version of Tally in one system. Generally, when we use a version of Tally, example I am using Tally ERP9 in my machine, in my system, and after then when I try to install a previous version or newer version of Tally in my system, total version of Tally upgraded to the newer version or previous version. But if we want to use two and more version of Tally in our system, what is the trick? The trick is very simple. I show you. Let's start. Look, I am using Tally ERP9 6.6.3 in my system, and now I try to use Tally Prime and also try to use Tally ERP9 both simultaneously. First, we open Google Chrome. In search button, we write Tally Prime download. A list of website will open. We select official Tally solution website, which is https://tallysolution.com. Double click the website. It will open the download page of Tally Prime latest version. The website, please write down the name of the website. https://tallysolution.com/download/gref. After then, in Tally Prime Release 4.0, click download button. Your download will be start. It will be take few seconds. Just it's a small setup file, just 42.4 MB. It will take just 10 seconds, 5 seconds just. After the setup file downloaded, you go to the folder where you download the setup file. I download the setup file in my download folders. I downloaded the setup file in my download folder. Setup file look like a gear button and name setup. That is. Double click the setup files and a run option is coming. Click the run option. Here Tally Prime Setup Manager will open. Here is a trick. If you select, there is three options: configure, mode action, and update. If you select the update option and click the update option, your previous version will upgrade to the newer version. Then don't do that. You go to the mode action tab and select the install now option and click that, and then click install. If you do that, then previous version of Tally and newer version of Tally both are installed in your system, and you can work with both of soft version of Tally. Look, there I installed Tally Prime and already I have Tally ERP9. Both are working. So don't select the update options. Go to the more option. Look, after install of Tally Prime, my previous version Tally ERP9 is exist, and also Tally Prime version is working. So now I can work both version of Tally ERP9 and Tally Prime. Friends, if my video give you some knowledge or resolve your issues, please subscribe me and like my videos. Thank you again.